Hi, it's me again. Some of you guys maybe installed a 2-din touchscreen head unit of your Miata, same as what I'm down here, but I'm not sure if you guys have the same problem as I had. When I shift in the gear, and sometimes I put my hand like this, they will be accidentally touch the screen. Yeah, now it's alright, but when you cruise on the road, you just put your hands on here and they just accidentally touch it like this. I'm not mean to, but yeah, it happened several times to me. So I decided maybe I just put a 1-din radio maybe down here and put 3 2-inch gauges over here, maybe, I'm not quite sure. And I have electric boot release now, so maybe I can put a button here, something like that. So yeah, I'm thinking to swap this Panasonic DVD unit. Actually, it's DVD or not. It's even got Bluetooth. Yeah, nice screen. Lots of function there. Yeah, and maybe I'll swap this one to something else. And yeah, it's been hit again. When you try to open it, you can't put your gears in. Replace head unit. First, all you need to remove the central console. Actually, that's quite simple. All you can see one down here, so another screw opposite, and one screw under the ashtray, and two here. We lose all of 5 screws and pop up from front to the back. That'll be easy to get out. Now I lose all 5 screws. You can see. So you lift from front, then you push to the back. And here's 2 clip. Just loosen. One is for the power window, one is for the ashtray light. So after you remove the central console, you need to remove this panel. There's 2 screws behind this vent and one down here, and that's quite easy to lose this vent. Just use a screw like what I'm doing. You can use a towel to cover the screw head or whatever you want, and just a little bit push, it's out. And you will see the screw stop here, you to lose, and another one here, and the one here. After all of 3, you just pop out. Don't forget there's a clip, the power clip for this headlight and the hazard. So after the panel, you will receive the image like what I have now, and lose these 4 screws. You'll be able to lose the whole head unit. And don't forget, disconnect the plug behind the unit. Let's do it. Now whole head unit is out, and you can see actually it's quite hard to put it on. I drilled several different holes to try the position to make it fit well, and actually it's quite hard to find right location because this size is 2.5 din and this is 2 din. Normally we only can buy something like this size or 1 din, and now I'm doing a 1 din. So first of all, I will disconnect all valves, and I real valve first, then put the whole thing back. So this is what I got. Instead to use this heavy 2-din Panasonic head unit, and hasn't touched the screen when you shifting gears. I use this small piece of shit. It's really, you know, light, like nothing. You might be thinking it's for losing weight. Yeah, it's quite heavy. I reckon it's maybe 2 or 3K, and this one is nothing. As we don't use you know, CD anymore, so it's a quite perfect size. And this have all the functions, even have Bluetooth. You know, let's do it. So put this unit into MX5. Actually, it's quite hard, and we can see the cover is bigger than the hole. And if we do the original way, put the screws over there, we cannot put this cover back. And if we do the other way, they have two looms, this thing from the mount, and we cannot put in from this hole, so probably need some modification.